Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I'm definitely still looking at this as a wave A. I still think it made a one big three-way pattern to the downside for an A, B, C, or B, and I think this is a 1, 2, and we're going to go up and make a 3, a 4, and a 5 of an expanding flat wave C, which will most likely take out these previous highs. But this is the monthly time frame, and that literally could take maybe a year or two to play out. So going down to the weekly time frame, I definitely am still looking at this 5 waves as a wave 1 of 3. I still think this is a WXY, which is a wave 2 of wave 3. I think we're already in that wave 3, and all the moves to the downside we see are just crescents, subdivisions of this wave 3, which I still think on the weekly time frame will continue to make higher highs and higher lows. Taking it down to the daily time frame, price did go down for very strong for quite several weeks, and ever since it broke structure to the downside, I was looking for shorts, but now it has broken structure to the upside, so now I am definitely going back to longs. And while I'm looking for longs, if it just keeps on trending up, then that's great news for us. So going down to the 4 hour time frame is where you can see the structure break. We had, if I zoom out a little bit, you can see that we had lower lows, lower highs ever since this break of structure the whole way down. Now we have the first structure break we've had since this thing started its move to the downside. That's a very good sign that this whole move down is over. Now this move down does look pretty impulsive. It definitely could be like a wave A or a wave 1, which means that this move up could end up being a crescent to the move down like a wave B or a wave 2. But even if that is the case, it would probably go someplace between 38 and 78% of the move down. So either way, I think we will have some good long opportunities. And while we're looking for longs, if it's actually not a crescent, but it just keeps on trending up, that's going to be really good news for us. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame now that we got that nice break and hold above structure, I am definitely looking for longs. I'm looking to get in on pullbacks, so pullbacks like that is what I'm looking for. I definitely wouldn't go long right now, but when and if it does make its next pullback, I definitely will be looking to get long at the end of every single pullback I see for the continuation of this uptrend, at least until we get another break of structure to the downside, which I hopefully will not happen for some time. Hopefully we are back into the wave 3 uptrend that I was showing on the weekly time frame now, and it will just keep on trending up, making those higher highs and higher lows. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.